Hi, I'm Ted Parker, co-president of Vibrant Health. One of the best parts of being involved in the nutrition industry is seeing our customers achieve optimal health and wellness. That has been part of our story since the very beginning. In 1992, when our founder, nutritional scientist Mark Timon, handcrafted a groundbreaking plant-based supplement called Green Vibrance, formulated with everything the body needs for good health and nothing it doesn't.
Hi, I'm Paige Parker, co-president at Vibrant Health. After 30 years, Vibrant Health remains dedicated to crafting our award-winning family of products with your optimum health in mind. We're proud to have built a company that delivers nutrition you can trust, sourcing and managing every raw ingredient for maximum quality and potency, and fully disclosing each one by dose on our labels. We are committed to providing premium, science-based products that work for your body and for your life.